Good day, my name is Skyweight. If you can see this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, I've been busy with my student account, so I've not displayed my own personal account. This is my account, Money22. If you follow my video, you will know this is my account. So over the time which I've not been active on YouTube, I've been working on my student account here. Remember, I manage accounts for my students. Yeah, if you are getting my video course and software and maybe you need assistance for a while before you start managing your account yourself, or you need me to assist you or to manage your account, I manage your account for my students, and that costs a extra charge. Yeah, because I'm a very busy type and my time is automatically converted to money. Yeah. So if you can see this video, you know, if you check my previous videos, you know I'm a affiliate marketing coach, and I'm also a software developer, and I've developed a software which is an affiliate marketing traffic generator, which I'll be using to get sales to my affiliate marketing platforms. Very soon I will start to display accounts of other affiliate marketing platforms that I'm working on, but presently we are still on ClickBank. So I'm still opening accounts for students which are serious. Any of my if you are getting my video course and software, I will open a ClickBank account for you, not minding the restriction of where you come from here, because not every country are allowed to open ClickBank. Yeah, I'm going to open ClickBank for you no matter where you are in the world. Yes, because I have students all around the world who are getting my software and they are really doing fine. So if you are getting my software and video course, I'm going to open an account for you and a ClickBank sales page, which after you get the software, I will guide you step by step. No, also my software, my video course is self-explanatory. You don't need me to guide you, but if need be that I should guide you on anything, I'm always available for my students. My students know that amazing. You can anytime they text me, they know I will always give them a response they like, and we are fine because their success is my own priority. Yeah. As you can see on the screen, this is the results which my software gave me on my own personal account. Yeah, I've not displayed my account since because I've been busy with my student account. And also remember, if you want to get the software and video course today, enjoy the trend of the smartphones that are making really good sales and are making edge in this affiliate marketing business. You can just contact me on my Gmail at skyway27@gmail.com, or text me through the number you can see on Telegram. Text me on my Gmail at skyway27@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen. Yeah, get the software today and start earning really good money. Join the trend of the smartphones, because it's not about the hard work, it's about the smart work now. Yeah, it's not about the effort you put in. You can earn while you sleep. It's not about the amount of time you stay awake to work and share link and to struggle and hustle. Yeah, because it is the smart ones that are really getting the benefits of the hustle now. So contact me on my Gmail today at skyway27@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram to the number you can see on the screen to get your video course and software today and start earning really good money on your affiliate marketing platform. And remember, my software is only applicable to only ClickBank alone or other affiliate marketing platform, any affiliate marketing platform. Yeah, because they use almost the same technique to get sales. So get the software today and video course and start earning really good money on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Contact me on my Gmail at skyway27@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram to the number you can see on the screen. Thank you once again. My name is Skyway.